Hi, Peter Wood back with you again for True North Marine Training with our presentation for the Shore Range Operator Certificate of Proficiency Answers to Exam Questions. This is presentation number 2. As we've mentioned before, there are a bank of 131 exam questions from the OMC that they use in their final exams, and this is to give you the answers to those questions. So question number 21. What is the correct distress call for a VHF marine radio? So we're always looking for Mayday to be announced 3 times and your vessel's name 3 times. So the correct answer would be A. Question 22. What would be the total voltage if 2 6-volt lead-acid batteries connected in series? So in series, the voltage increases. So the answer would be 12 volts. C is the correct answer. Question 23. What marine VHF channel may be used for the exchange of vessel-to-vessel safety information? And we can do this almost a little bit by process of elimination. Channel 70 is DSC, so you can't talk on channel 70. Channel 16 is your distress and calling channel. Channel 6 is your ship-to-aircraft channel. So the correct answer would be channel 13, answer C. Question 24. In the COSPAS-SARSAT system, what type of orbit is used by geosatellites? There's the explanation taken for the handbook down the bottom. So the correct answer is C. They are stationary over the equator. Question 25. What acid is contained in a lead-acid battery electrolyte? That is sulfuric acid. And again, there's your explanation at the bottom. Question 26. What is the viewing range or footprint of the COSPAS-SARSAT low-orbiting satellite? Once again, there's the explanation from the handbook. B is the correct answer, approximately 4,000 kilometres. Question 27. Which marine VHF channel is used for ship-to-aircraft to coordinate search and rescue operations? And the handbook has the list of the VHF channels there at the bottom of the page, but the correct answer is C, channel 06. Question 28. What is the range of a marine VHF dependent on? It's dependent on the combined height of the transmitting and receiving antennas. Answer B. Question 29. What specific gravity reading would be expected of a well-maintained lead-acid battery? And the answer is D, 1250 or 1.250. Question 30. To whom should distress calls and messages be addressed? They should be addressed to all stations on the distress channel. B is the correct answer. Question 31. What frequency or channels are maritime safety information messages broadcast on? So the operative word there is broadcast. They may be announced on a distress channel, but the contents would be broadcast on a working frequency or channel. So D is the correct answer. Question 32. Which of the following is the correct sequence for a VHF marine radio distress message? So we're looking here for the word Mayday. We're looking for the vessel identification. And then we're looking for position. They're the 3 main components of a distress. So B fits that category. That is the correct answer. What does the word received indicate during an exchange of communications? A is the correct answer, that I received and understand your message. Question 34. What priority signal is transmitted to indicate that you have sighted a navigational hazard? And the term used there is security. Well, that would be the signal, so D is the correct answer. Question 35. What is the VHF band of frequencies? Well, they fall in the 30 to 300 megahertz band. And you'll see if you look at the scale on the right-hand side, you'll see most of them are in the 156, 157, 160 range. So that's A is the correct answer to that question. Question 36. What part of the VHF radio wave is used for communication purposes? And that is the surface or ground waves component. And there's your explanation from the handbook at the base there. Question 37. How often should operators provide station identification when transmitting? So operators must provide station identification for every transmission. And there's your explanation again. C is the correct answer. Question 38. When and or how may an EPIRB be tested? That is in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions for self-testing. So C is your correct answer. Question 39. What satellite system can detect or receive EPIRB signals? And that is the system known as the COSPAS-SARSAT system. C is the correct answer. Question 40. What VHF channel should a vessel maintain a listening watch on whilst at sea? And that would be VHF channel 16. A is the correct answer. So there you have presentation number 2. Thanks for listening. Keep out a lookout for the next presentations to follow. And thanks for your time today.